folks, here we are. We made our way over to Lightning Link. High stakes one. Do it. $1 in. $1.50 bet. 6 poker chips. Or 3 briefcases. Woo-hoo-hoo. Scarman. Oh, come on. Come on. Yeah. Oh, big numbers too. Go. Let's keep those big numbers going. All right. Final spin. All right. That's all right. All right. $82 win right there. 82. All right, come on, baby. Let's get another one. Behind you, huh? I keep thinking that's you, but it's behind you, huh? Yeah. I can hear you guys over there. Oh, look how close that was. Two $75 balls. Oh, that was a heartache. Whew, I got that one. Whoop. Come on, baby. We need a chip right in the middle. I'll take that. 3 more free games. Come on, baby. All right, we'll take that. There's the chip. Yeah. Now we need some more chips with it. There we go. There's a nice one, $15. Yeah, let's keep going. Two more, baby. Final spin, let's keep it going. All right. I'm not done yet. Oh, 2 in a row. There's a mini. Right. Last spin, let's keep it going. Ooh. Everybody's going. Two more free games. Come on, baby. Last one. All right. We'll take that. $69.55 on that free game. Oh, that's good. Yeah. we go. Come on. All right. Take that. That's gonna be pretty good. Yeah, $23 there. Two more free games to go. Last one. There we go. Come on, baby. All right, we'll take that. All right, folks, there you go. $45.75 hit there. Ooh, 50 bet. Those are huge numbers. Yes! Look at this, folks. I mean, right next to me. He's on a 50-cent bet. Look at those numbers he just got. Woo! Oh, one away. All right, folks, final spin. Let's see if we can get something. Oh, we can't. We're going to cash out right there with $200.28. Don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification to be notified every time we post a new video. We'll see you on the next one.